Throughout history, there have been legendary figures whose names echo through the ages, their conquests shaping the world as we know it. But even the mightiest empires eventually meet their end. Today, we delve into the fascinating tales of four of the greatest conquerors in history: Alexander the Great, Julius Caesar, Genghis Khan, and Napoleon Bonaparte. Our journey begins in ancient Greece with Alexander the Great, a young king whose ambition knew no bounds. He embarked on a relentless campaign to conquer the known world, spreading Greek culture far and wide. For years, Alexander's armies marched across continents, from Macedonia to Egypt, from Persia to India. His military genius and charisma inspired unwavering loyalty from his soldiers, but his conquests came at a cost. As the years passed, Alexander's once invincible army grew tired of constant warfare. They longed for home and resented their king's insatiable thirst for conquest. And when Alexander died suddenly at the age of 32, his empire plunged into chaos. Next, we journey to ancient Rome and the larger-than-life figure of Julius Caesar. A brilliant general and a cunning politician, Caesar rose to power through military conquests and shrewd alliances. Caesar's ambition knew no bounds. He sought to reform the Roman Republic, but his growing power sparked jealousy and fear among his peers. In 44 BCE, a group of senators, fearing Caesar's tyranny, assassinated him in a brazen act of betrayal. His death plunged Rome into chaos and set the stage for the rise of the Roman Empire. We come to the vast steppes of Central Asia and the legendary figure of Genghis Khan. A nomadic warrior who united the Mongol tribes, Khan forged the largest contiguous empire in history through sheer force of will. Genghis Khan's conquests were swift and brutal, as his armies swept across Asia, from China to Eastern Europe. But even the great Khan could not escape the ravages of time. In 1227, Genghis Khan passed away, leaving behind a vast empire and a legacy that would endure for centuries. But his death sparked infighting among his descendants, leading to the gradual decline of the Mongol Empire. Finally, we arrive in 19th century Europe and the charismatic leader Napoleon Bonaparte. A military genius who rose to power during the French Revolution, Napoleon sought to create a new order in Europe. For years, Napoleon's armies marched across the continent, from Italy to Russia, from Spain to Egypt. But his quest for supremacy eventually met its match. Defeated at the Battle of Waterloo in 1815, Napoleon was exiled to the remote island of St. Helena, where he spent his final days reflecting on his legacy. His dreams of European domination were shattered, marking the end of an era. In the end, the stories of Alexander the Great, Julius Caesar, Genghis Khan, and Napoleon Bonaparte serve as reminders of the fleeting nature of power and the inevitability of downfall. Their empires may have crumbled, but their legacies endure, inspiring awe and fascination to this day.